So welcome, dear students. I would like to introduce EduBridge. It's a workforce organization. They are involved in placing people at the right places and training them. They want to create a workforce for the future. And especially today, they are targeting arts and commerce students as well as science students also. They are mostly known for their science training, but even they have got financial services, financial placements, and several other things. I would say that when you people are right now studying, and they will tell you the benefits. It's not my when I heard about this, I was pretty much impressed and very much interested in placing this offer to the students. Um, so they will tell whatever finer details of this. Please pay attentively. They will talk in Hindi if you want, and a little bit of in English, so that it becomes very simple. Talpade sir is going to do that, so don't worry about it. And whenever you have problems, your feedback or whatever you want to know, please feel free to ask. You can ask or you can write it in the chat box. They will surely attend to it. And later on, if you have any problems, you can always contact me like you contact me in the Telegram group or write in the College Career Council email ID. Don't write it individually because there are several things come and I may miss it. So write it in the group ID and I'll over to Talpade sir, please.
Yes.
All right. So a very good afternoon to all the students who have gathered. Thank you so much to the college. Thank you to Arnab sir for helping us organize this particular session. On behalf of EduBridge Learning, I take the honor to welcome all of you. I also welcome my colleague, Salil Nath, Mr. Salil Nath, who is there with us today. So he will be taking care of all the what kind of operational things or whatever you want to discuss with. He's one of our senior professional from EduBridge Learning with us today. So to begin the program, there are some some ground rules that I always follow with all the sessions to make it pretty interesting, to make it knowledgeable and to exchange ideas between both of us. Maybe you are a student, I am there to guide you, but still we can have some kind of an idea discussion if we are responsive to discussed ideas in this particular session. So I request every one of you to be attentive. Second, to be responsive to the questions that I'm going to put forward to you. Let's interact. हम एक दूसरे को समझ लेते हैं. अगर communication में आपको हिंदी ज्यादा प्रेफर्ड है, आई विल गो इन हिंदी, दैट्स आल्सो कंप्लीटली फाइन विथ मी. तो हम हिंदी और इंग्लिश में ये पर्टिकुलर सेशन को शुरुआत करेंगे. सो बिफोर आई बिगिन, इज एवरीबॉडी विथ मी? कैन आई सी सम यस और नो इन द चैट विंडो, गाइस? Come on, I need a response to know that we all are here, we all are with us together.
People are saying yes. People are saying yes in Hindi.
Great. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys, for the response and now ensuring me कि behind the screens there are humans sitting, at least ये virtual में. I really sometimes wonder if there is someone behind or it's an automated window that has been created under Zoom. So we need to have that kind of clarity to give 100% to what I'm going to deliver for you guys. Okay. Some of you, if you want to unmute in between and ask certain questions, you may go for. At the end of the program, I will be open for a question answer round wherein you can write down the question while hearing out to me and ask me during the question and answer round also, right? So to begin the program, just allow me to put forward my first slide to you, and then we begin with the whole session on careers in banking and financial service. Can any of the students confirm me if you
recording in progress
in the chat window?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Thank you. So as you see, okay. HDFC
recording
Bank,
in progress
in Mumbai itself. So that was my past experience with regards to banking. I have handled various products when it comes to the 52 types of products that a bank.
Recording in progress.
During the session, after the session, you can definitely ask me without hesitating. Okay. Now I request this people to please do not do this kind of marks on the slides. it will create disturbance for me to give you the session. Okay. All right.
Recording in progress.
Any one of you, please unmute and please answer. What is a bank according to you? Nothing is right and wrong. Okay. Bank is bank. What is a bank?
A bank is a financial institution that provides the financial needs, that meets the financial needs of any customer.
Okay. Fair. It does go right with your perception. Anyone else would like to try? What is a bank according to you guys? Let's understand together. If you have any knowledge.
Recording in progress.
You will have to speak up.
Yeah. The bank is something where we can put our money safely and get loans.
Suraj, I'm sorry, we lost your voice. We could not hear you clearly. Can you please try again?
LIC, sir.
Company, LIC, sir. LIC is an insurance. It's an insurance company, guys.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon. Yes, someone was trying. See, guys, let me be very clear. I am asking about non-banking financial companies. Okay, LIC is an insurance company. What is that non-banking financial services company?
Sir, hello. Sir, non-banking financial institution does not have license and it cannot deposit public money.
Right. So it does not have a license to operate as a bank, but they give other services of a bank. Which are those services, Farida, if you can help us understand? Yes, Farida? You rightly mentioned, I think you have the answer. So NBFC जो होता है, वो as a bank operate नहीं कर पाता. That is very correct. But what all the services that they give us? Anyone can help me understand?
Sir, they can give loan.
Yes, perfect. So they give loans. That is very much correct. Yeah. So let's dig further, Nisha. So जब भी हम banking के पास जाते हैं, तो banking के पास उसके regulator through आया हुआ पूरा guidelines होता है. Who is the regulator of a bank, Nisha, if you know?
Sir, RBI.
Very good. So RBI के अंडर banking license दिया जाता है and that license has some regulations to be followed जिसमें limited चीजें bank कर पाता है. Okay. Now when it comes to other side, okay, loans facility, that is the major business of NBFC that Nisha mentioned is very much correct. Okay. So when we talk about NBFC, if you went through a mall recently, I'm not sure आपके city में malls खुले हैं या नहीं because of this COVID things. But अगर आप कोई mall में जाते हो, तो mall में आपको बहुत बार zero interest पे phone, EMI schemes पे phone वाली offer दिखती है. कौन सी company की offer दिखती है? Has anyone noticed the company name?
No, sir.
Okay, Bajaj Finance.
Bajaj Finance.
Very good. So ये brand की रहता है, right? They have great awareness कि उन लोग छोटे-छोटे companies, छोटी-छोटी चीजों के लिए अपने को loan provide करते हैं. Not only that, this kind of NBFCs are going to help us for micro funding possibilities. Now, what is this micro funding? Maybe out of you guys, some might have an aspiration to start your own business. But you do not have a collateral to submit. आपके पास बहुत सारा सोना नहीं है या आपके पास कोई जमीन नहीं है गिरवी रखने के लिए. So there is no collateral without which you want to apply for a loan and you want to support to start your business. Such kind of micro funding activities are carried by the micro institutions, or you can say non-banking financial institutions. We have come up with various small banks also. There are small finance banks that we come up with, right? Bandhan Bank एक open होते हुए देखा है. बहुत से brands हम देख रहे हैं जो small banks करके, rural banks करके open होते हुए दिखाई दे रही है. That is for the micro funding requirements. छोटे से छोटा requirement, even if you want to buy a fridge, there is people like Bajaj Finserv who give you an EMI in a total cost of 20,000 rupees also, right? हम 10,000 की चीज को भी अगर खरीदना चाहते हैं तो ये माइक्रो फाइनेंस हमें यूज करना होता है जिससे आपकी EMI लग जाती है maybe 700 rupees, 1,000 rupees a month. So that is nothing but a major function that microfinance organizations are using. So that's a clear classification that I wanted to help all of our audience to understand. Now, let's understand the front end and back end of this particular, both the sides, banking and non-banking financial institutions. When in the front end, they are running a business where they are giving loans, they are accepting deposits, they are running small finance organizations, running micro funding things and everything. There has to be a support function for them, correct? So when this support function comes into the picture, there are various back-end profiles also created from the job perspective, wherein the loan document processing is done. There is a customer relationship management is done. There is customer complaints, resolution is done. So these all different back-end departments are also created while servicing all the customers into a bank and NBFC. I hope everyone is with me. Yes, no.
Yes, yes.
Right? You're understanding the classification. Let's figure out let's understand where we suit, where we fit as a graduate from commerce. Okay. Now, when it comes to different departments that we see, there has to be certain skill set that each one of us needs to have. Okay. So if I talk about further, okay, various departments that we can see in a bank or in a non-banking financial institutions can be this. Okay. There are wealth management department, there are broking department. किसी को stocks में अगर interest होगा तो ये broking department वो join करते हैं. Asset management companies जैसे कि mutual fund houses है. These are other financial services companies that a person can target being a commerce graduate. Okay, so यहाँ पे भी सब जगह पे आपको अलग-अलग departments दिखाई देते हैं. Research analysis role, risk management role. Now, when I say I'm giving a loan, there has to be some certain professionals in my organization who are going to assess the risk कि ये particular individual को 50,000 रुपए का loan देना होगा, तो what is the surety of getting the returns? How do I calculate the interest, the simple interest, the compound interest? How do I make calculations on it? Is a basic skill set that a candidate is expected to know before he joins that company. And if you have faced any difficulty for getting the first job, जो बहुत से alumni से आप समझ सकते हो, to appear for an interview is not a challenge, but to get shortlisted and selected for an interview is a problem, because the skill sets that are expected out of a fresher candidates is maximum of the times are absent. People are not knowing what they are supposed to do. They just go with the salary package. They just go with the job position, and then they do not get selected and they further get demotivated. So let's cut through all these kind of basic processes जो अपने को demotivate करता है. Let's get focused to what processes I should follow. A person who follows the process is the one who is one step closer to success. Okay, so let's give 100% for next few minutes to understand the process that we as an organization with our expertise would like to suggest you all to simply follow and get the results coming to you. Okay, process step number 1 says, understand 2 types of skill sets that are required to you. Skill set number 1, that's your soft skill part. आपको बहुत से एकेडमिक प्रोग्राम से नॉलेज मिल रहा है, आप ऑलरेडी ग्रेजुएट स्टूडेंट हो तो आपने बहुत सारा नॉलेज ऑलरेडी देखा हुआ है. यू कैन आइडेंटिफाई व्हाट इज एसेट एंड व्हाट इज लायबिलिटी. सो यू नीड टू हैव अ कम्युनिकेशन skill with you to communicate what you know as a knowledge. Just keeping knowledge here will not make any sense. If you know something, you need to communicate, you need to understand what other person are saying, and you need to read out certain things, right? So when it comes to understanding the first skill set area that you need to groom in is your communication part, maybe your listening, writing, or reading proficiencies. Please note, if you're sitting with your pen and paper, drop down a plan that you want to build for yourself. सबसे पहले आप कम्युनिकेशंस पे ध्यान दोगे कि आप सही समझ पा रहे हो, आप सही सुन पा रहे हो, सही बोल पा रहे हो, right? So you will have to understand these 3 proficiencies at first. Second, while understanding, analyzing things, you will have to do certain decision making. Yeah. So आपको थोड़े से decisions लेने पड़ते हैं. How do I select an opportunity? I have 4 opportunities. How do I select which opportunity will take me for a long-term career and not just a first job? अगर आपको फर्स्ट अपॉर्चुनिटी अपीलिंग लगती है, ट्राई टू एनालाइज फर्दर, ये मुझे कौन से डायरेक्शन में लेके जाएगा. इज माय करियर डायरेक्शन complementing with this direction this job opportunity is taking me. For example, someone is an engineer in IT, okay, and we make him work into an operations department which is a non-IT function. Maybe उसको job मिल गया, लेकिन उसने जो IT पढ़ा था वो उसने कहीं पे भी use नहीं किया. That is not going to help him on a long run. So we need not want any of the students to happen that. That's the reason while selecting a job function, understand the goals that the job function is giving you and align it with your individual goals. Now, sometimes people say in this particular session, sir, we do not have any plans. We do not know where to go. No problem. Right now, you do not have a plan, but this particular session will help you understand how do you frame your plan. Like I said, step number 1, communication skills. Groom up your communication skills and get the results desired out of you with the academic programs, the graduation, post-graduation programs that you guys are already pursuing. Okay. I hope step 1 is clear to everyone. Step 2, after you have groomed up your communication skills, you will have to understand the industry that you are going for. Many of this time, students get confused with the industry and the function that they want to go for. Now, what is industry and function? Let me help you understand in a very simple manner. There are different industries in the country, in the world rather, okay? One is finance, one is IT, one is oil and natural gas. There are engineering, chemical engineering, there are mechanical engineering, different industries, okay? Automobile industry. So understand which industry you want to go for. If you're a commerce, I assume it that either you go for a commerce industry, that is finance industry. So if we just talk about finance for now, we all being from commerce, okay? So industry is finance, under which there are different companies. Bank is one of those companies. Non-banking financial institutions are the other companies, okay? Understanding the companies that we want to go for. Further, third step, understanding the functional roles that you want to go for. Functional role yani sales, marketing, operations, HR, okay? There are different other internal subcategorization of roles. So these are the major 4 roles every company will have. You just enter any private hospital. Private hospital also has this 4 kinds of roles. उनका भी सेल्स मार्केटिंग होता है, उनका भी ऑपरेशंस होता है, उनका भी एचआर होता है. आप एक बैंक में चले जाओ, बैंक में भी ये 4 डिपार्टमेंट्स प्रेजेंट है. सो दिस इज योर फंक्शनल रोल. Okay, hear me out very clearly. Select your functional role that you want to start with. As a commerce graduate, even I had faced that difficulty while starting the career that no one wants to recruit a BCom graduate, Bachelor in Commerce plain graduate. Okay, different specializations. But agar aap sirf plain graduate ho, no one is interested to hire it because most of the times 70% of BCom graduates do not possess employability skills. And that's the reason they can't perform the duties that are expected out of them. For example, आपको अगर आज मैंने ये सेशन से उठा के मेरे बैंक के कैश काउंटर पे आपको मैंने बिठा दिया, will you take it very confidently that you will be able to count the cash, make the entries, allow withdrawals, take deposits? The answer is shayad no. You will not be able to do that, right? So it is utmost important that you understand this pre-job placement is done before you are placed in a job, so that you know what you are supposed to be performing in the job, because you know that you will have to perform for your personal growth. ऐसा नहीं कि मैंने आपको प्लेस कर दिया और ऑटोमेटिक एवरी ईयर ऑन ईयर आपका 10% सैलरी बढ़ते जाएगा. ऐसा नहीं होता है कॉर्पोरेट में. द ब्लंट रियलिटी इज unless and until you are performing, no one is going to give you any hikes. अगर आपको परफॉर्म करना है तो आपके स्किल्स को आपको ब्रश अप करना पड़ेगा, आपको रेडी रहना पड़ेगा, and then you will see good positive impact coming to you. So this is the right time to focus on the employability skills that are important for you to start your journey into a corporate program, right? So these are the key challenges that I just spoke of. एक तो जॉब नहीं मिलता है बहुत बार डायरेक्शन नहीं पता होता है. अभी मैंने ये सेशन में आपको थोड़ा बहुत डायरेक्शन देने का कोशिश किया. इज समवन अनम्यूटेड? प्लीज म्यूट इट. इट्स क्रिएटिंग डिस्टर्बेंस फॉर मी. रतन पार्टिसिपेंट, आई एम म्यूटिंग यू. please avoid getting unmuted unnecessary. If you want to talk something, you can please unmute. Okay, so the challenges that I said, direction and guidance, need not worry. We are there to give you further guidance and direction also. Just I started at this first interaction. I help you understand the different industries, the various job functions that are there, select a functional role, start doing a program which is going to help you for getting into that functional role. Today, I'm going to present you one such functional role, which will be helpful and one of the booming opportunities in the market, the openings that we have right now in the market. So as I said, we are a workforce development organization. We work with recruiters. So we already have received some of the job openings with us, and we want to use right medium where we train the student and place them with those job openings that we have, right? So that's the reason कंपटीशन मार्केट में है और अनरियलिस्टिक एक्सपेक्टेशंस है, वो सारी चीजों को हम लोग माइनस करेंगे एंड वी गेट इनटू अ वेरी मच फोकस अप्रोच ऑफ गेटिंग आवर फर्स्ट जॉब. इज एवरीवन विथ मी फॉर द फर्स्ट जॉब प्रिपरेशंस गाइस? Yes, no, something?
Yes, sir.
Fair. Any doubts or questions that you have till now, everyone? I believe no. I take it as no. Okay, great. So I'll take it forward. Now, the program that I want to present for all of you, just allow me to put you forward the program.
Okay. Recording in progress.
Just allow me to put that program to you guys, and then we discuss further. There are two important programs that I give you as an option. Maybe someone would like the first one, someone might like the second one. Okay. So this is a program called Certification in Microfinance Executive. Now, when I said I have already selected an industry that is banking and non-banking financial services, right? So in that industry, this is one of the job roles that we want to suggest for all of you. Okay. Now, the reason being, when I said you go to malls and shopping complex and you see many of the EMI schemes coming to you, right? For a basic good of 5,000 rupees to the advanced level of 2,000, 2 lakh, 5 lakh kind of products, right? So it is important to understand and see an opportunity into this microfinance institutions which are growing in the country with enormous job opportunities with us. And that's the reason we have framed this particular program with a knowledge partners from the corporates who have helped us design the program to give you right knowledge and deep understanding on microfinance professional. Okay. So this is your first step towards your banking journey, where you become a part of either a bank or a NBFC at a role, जैसे मैंने कहा, functional role of microfinance management. Okay. So when you are doing microfinance management, there are different knowledge areas that are expected out of you. Okay. सबसे पहले you will be understanding the whole banking system. आप में से सिर्फ एक दो जनों ने मुझे बैंकिंग का जवाब दिया, शायद कुछ लोगों को ये सिस्टम जानना जरूरी होगा, right? So we will be making you understand what are the categories of financial institution. Someone wrongly mentioned that insurance. No, insurance is not a NBFC. It is altogether a different industry. Okay. So when it comes to categorizing financial institution is again an important part that we will be covering in the syllabus that we are taking you through. Okay. How does we generate returns and profits? Now imagine guys, you are at a college. The college is allowing you entry. Okay. आप जब admission लेते हो, there is certain cutoff. आपका अगर percentage इतना है तो ही आपको वो कॉलेज में टॉप मोस्ट कॉलेज आपको अलाउ करता है. जैसे ऑल ऑफ अस वी गो एंड एनरोल फॉर IIM प्रोग्राम, IIM Calcutta or IIM Ahmedabad. They're not going to take every person applying for. They will have their criteria to enroll, right? Similarly, once you are in the corporate, flip that other way around. आपको entry तभी मिलेगी when you are productive, when you know certain skills, and then only you will be able to enter topmost corporates, various banking institutions, if you have certified yourself with the knowledge. It's not just you are talking that you are knowing the knowledge, it is the certification that needs to speak in your resume for you before you get an interview opportunity at a bank. I hope I am sounding sensible to everyone, right? So when it comes to further, okay, we will be taking you through with financial inclusion also. Financial inclusion yani kya? One of the example if I take, in 2014-15 onwards, there are various Pradhan Mantri Yojanas that we have come across. There is, Jan Dhan Yojana savings account, right? People started using those Jan Dhan Yojana savings account. During the lockdowns, the government passed on many of the monetary benefits through that Jan Dhan Yojana's account. As an example, I'm saying. So such kind of various financial products that are supposed to be known by each one of us if we are tagging ourselves as a bank employee. So we will be helping you understand those all basic programs starting in this particular certificate course in microfinance executive. Now, coming to the major area that we are going to train you. As I have requirements with me into a microfinance organization, I will be looking forward for candidates out of you who are ready to learn the job skills that are required to become a microfinance professional. Now, the job skill says you need to understand the loan process of a bank very clearly. As I mentioned, bank has the topmost revenue making product from loan products that are being given, the personal loan and the business loans that are there. Before I proceed further, Salil, if you are there in the program, please have a close look on the participants who are unmuting. So please mute the participants. It is creating disturbance to deliver the session clearly. So just just have a close look. Thank you, Salil.
Thank you.
So as I was saying, loan being the first and foremost product of a bank is very much focused to develop that product further, with the participants being hired from the campus like you guys, who will be taking care of all the front end sales, relationship management, operations of this particular product of loans. Okay, so that's a very good and lucrative opportunity for all of us. I'm sure every one of you agrees to it. If you agree, I need to see some yes in the chat window, guys. Do you agree that this is a lucrative opportunity for us? Yes or no, guys? Let's discuss through the chat window if possible. Suvam says yes. Soumya says yes. Afreen, Nisha, Ahana, absolutely great. So I'm sure everyone has understood what I'm trying to convey, and everyone has understood that this is an opportunity for us. Now I'm trying to help you understand and identify the opportunity for you at first place. Further, do you see that today, if I give you the job offer letter and ask you to join tomorrow, will you be able to perform the duties like calculating the EMIs, understanding the loan process, taking the documentation, knowing which all documents to take from a customer, segregating some false customers and rejecting their loan files? I don't think so. The answer is majorly no. I don't think so. Anyone would be able to just start it immediately. There has to be a proper program, proper training given to every candidate. And to be very clear to you and very honest to you guys, nowadays the corporate are not really keen on conducting training programs after they hire you. The reason being, if the corporate was doing that before in the past, everyone was joining the corporate, taking the 1 month training program, 1 month salary. Second month onwards, they used to go out of the corporate. 1 month salary le liya, 15,000 rupees. They are taking home and they are just leaving the corporate. So that was clearing a problem to them. And that's the reason, that's the responsibility that is training the right employable candidate is something companies like EduBridge Learning has taken up. And that's the reason we are giving you skill certification programs on microfinance executive as one of the topmost recommendation for every one of you out there. Okay. Now, further understanding customer profiling, like I said, the documentation process, understanding whether the customer can be granted the loan facility or rejected the loan facility. When I was a student, I used to be very curious, I used to be very curious to know ये loan file अंदर जाने के बाद कौन होता है जो ये फाइल पढ़ता है, क्या पढ़ता है, कैसे मेरा लोन प्रोसेस होता है, is something you will get to know in this program. And I'm pretty sure all of you would be excited to know this कि ये process function कैसे होता है, as a knowledge at least, right? So this is something that you will gain out of this particular program for you guys. Further, this will be a industry recognized certification which will be given to you as a certified microfinance executive while clearing this program with EduBridge Learning. Now, EduBridge Learning is very much a brand across the country because we are backed up by a government institution called National Skill Development Council, NSDC. Okay, many of the students does know NSDC. So we have NSDC as one of our partnered organization. So it is very much valuable. Even if you show the certificate, if you add the certificate in your resume, it will add weightage to your resume that you have taken the industry knowledge and certification before applying for a job, right? So opportunities getting from EduBridge is definitely sure, but even if voluntarily, individually, you guys are trying somewhere, you will have good results of getting selected for the other opportunities also related to microfinance organizations, right? Now, let's understand the job opportunities that we see here, okay? So there are various profiles that you can see on the screen that are available to you right now as a fresher, having a condition of adding this certification program with you. So if you get completed with the certification, the course, the skills that are required during our course, there will be practical assignments given to you. Completing your practical assignments clearly and scoring good in your practical assignments will make wonders for you to start with the first job opportunity through EduBridge Learning for You. I hope this is pretty loud and clear to all the students. Any doubts till now regarding the functional role, the industry, the course that I just presented for all of you? Any doubts, guys? Yes, no? You can unmute and ask your doubts also. Suvam says no, sir. So या तो डाउट्स आए हैं और डाउट्स आपको पूछने नहीं है, या तो डाउट्स है नहीं क्योंकि आपको कुछ समझा नहीं. आपको सब कुछ समझा है everyone has understood everything?
Sir.
Yes.
Sir, you said that LIC only provides like the insurance, but it also provides the financial services. No, sir.
Right.
So then why can't it be a...
Yeah, so LIC has different sister concerns or different companies, right? So LIC, major businesses insurance, then LIC also offers mutual fund also, right? So LIC AMC is others, right? So these are different industries that you are talking about, Sakya. It is not going to be an NBFC, okay? NBFCs...
Okay, sir.
Yeah, so this is a slight differentiation that we should know while applying, because शायद आपने अगर कोई इंटरव्यू में ये बोला होता तो maybe the HR has a key list of marking minus for it. Okay, so we should be very much precisely clear with categorization of financial institution. Does this make sense to you, Sakya?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sure. Great.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Absolutely a pleasure. So any more doubts like this, guys? Anything? There is nothing called as silly. There is nothing kind of stupid, nothing like that. A doubt is a doubt. This is a learning room for all of us. I learned something from you. You learn something from me. Any more questions from that? Okay, I take it no questions for now. Further, once you have enrolled, we also give you a very important service, that's Premium Resume Builder service. From the start of the session, I'm saying your resumes will be shortlisted. The HR will be seeing your resumes. They will be seeing the weightages that is there created in your profile. अगर आपका resume clean and clear नहीं होगा, तो बहुत बार people have faced a difficulties. Sir, I have applied for 15 companies, but I didn't get a call for a single interview. Why is that, sir? So the reason is your resume is not in right format. And that's the first impression that you create in front of an HR. Now, I'm coming up at a very personal level, okay? Imagine that you want to impress someone, okay? And you are very much in love with that person. आप हमेशा बहुत सीरियसली उसको समझोगे एज अ स्टूडेंट कि मुझे मेरा फर्स्ट अपीयरेंस, मेरा फर्स्ट अप्रोच, मेरा फर्स्ट कम्युनिकेशन ये पर्टिकुलर इंडिविजुअल के लिए अच्छा रखना है, right? Now on a personal front, very simple and understanding for us, right? So we try to present ourselves very important and very polished and everything. So try to use the same strategy when you're selecting your first job. Okay, you are taking a first job for you, which is going to do wonders for your careers. Students, please don't do this. It is creating a disturbance for me, and I will not be able to deliver complete things to you. So the first appearance, the first impression in terms of your job side is your resume. And that's where EduBridge Learning has given an artificial intelligence-based resume builder service completely free for all our students, where the resumes can be created. You need not worry of going to Google, checking the formats, doing all that editing drama, nothing like it. Your things will be inset with just one click इनपुट करना है आपको, आपका इंफॉर्मेशन, आपका रिज्यूमे फॉर्मेट रेडी होके आपके पास आ जाएगा इफ यू आर अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर कोर्स अंडर EduBridge लर्निंग, राइट? सो दैट्स एन एडिशनल बेनिफिट दैट वी गिव यू. Second important benefit that we give you is an access to EduBridge special job portal. हम आपको एक पूरा जॉब पोर्टल का एक्सेस देते हैं कंप्लीटली फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट, जहां पे आप खुद से जाके भी अपॉर्चुनिटीज चेक कर सकते हो दैट इज सूटिंग टू योर प्रोफाइल, राइट? आप एक बार फेसबुक अकाउंट ओपन करते हो तो फेसबुक अकाउंट में आपके रिलेटिव्स, आपके फ्रेंड्स के ऑटोमेटिक आपको प्रोफाइल्स दिखने शुरू हो जाते हैं. यस और नो, राइट? सो उसी तरह आप जब ये जॉब पोर्टल को एक्सेस करोगे, आपके प्रोफाइल के रिलेटेड आपको सारे जॉब्स रिलेटेड टू योर प्रोफाइल आपको लाइनअप दिख जाएगा. देन यू कैन अप्लाई टू एज मेनी अपॉर्चुनिटीज एज यू वांट. वी डू नॉट वांट टू स्टॉप एनी ऑफ आवर स्टूडेंट कि आपको केवल 10 अटेम्प्ट्स मिलेंगे या 15 अटेम्प्ट्स मिलेंगे. जितने भी आपको अपॉर्चुनिटीज को सिलेक्ट करके चूज करना है, it will be done hassle free for you under the guidance of EduBridge learning, right? So that is another important part that I want to focus here when it comes to getting you closer with your interview. अब वही जॉब पोर्टल पे, वही EduBridge के पोर्टल पे आपको अपडेट आएगा where your interview is lined up, what date it is lined up. The HR might call you and tell you that you are invited for an interview. Please come and see us at this place. So your interview is lined up and you need to prepare for the interview. Now, here comes the next part. Option 2, okay? अगर आपको लग रहा है कि मुझे अपॉर्चुनिटीज खुद से सिलेक्ट नहीं करनी है, I do not understand it, I need someone to guide me. We have additional service of dedicated placement manager who is an expert with placements of students. If you go to a doctor, the doctor knows which medicine to be given first, the second, and the third to cure your illness. Similarly, the dedicated placement manager of EduBridge knows which opportunity to try first, the second, the third, ultimately to land you up with one job offer letter finalized for you, right? Having said this, I am very happy and proud to tell you that dedicated placement manager service comes up with a guaranteed interview pattern for all of you. So people who are going to choose dedicated placement manager service, who all are feeling stressed about looking a job for themselves by themselves, then they can choose our dedicated placement manager service to help you get the first round of interviews guaranteed from EduBridge Learning DPM service. I hope this message is loud and clear, right? Job portal service is for all the students. DPM service is an additional service that a student can buy from EduBridge Learning to get the hassle-free job selection criteria clear for you. Okay, the DPM, the manager will take care of your interview lineups, your selection process. If you're rejected, what went wrong is something the feedback the manager will share with you to help you prepare further for the next round of an interview. Minimum 3 guaranteed interviews are being given by this DPM service for all the students who are choosing the DPM with us. So there are 2 parts. One is the course, that is your employability training. Second is guaranteed interviews that you can select with the course itself. So that's an important update for all of us, right? Taking you further, let's understand how do we proceed further to enroll, okay? Now, if you're interested to enroll, okay, this is something that you will have to understand how I'm going to be eligible to get enrolled for a course, okay? We clearly have eligibility is mentioned with all the course that is listed, okay? So people who are there with 50% passing in their graduation, I'm sure commerce may 50% is absolutely not a challenge or a big deal, but definitely majority of you who are there who wants to apply, they will be given right kind of dedicated placement manager service with this criteria. However, if you want to enroll for knowledge purpose to upgrade your knowledge, you might be appearing for bank PO exam, or you might be appearing for UPSC or any such other exams. This knowledge certification is also going to help you with your clear understanding of fundamentals in banking and financial service. Okay. Now, taking it further with the cost price for certificate course in microfinance executive along with a job opportunity. Now, I'm sure the price is absolutely something that everyone is wondering, how can we have such a reasonable price for it, right? We go to service institutions, we go to many of the educational courses. People are charging 20,000, 25,000. There are courses for ₹1,00,000 also, right? People enroll for that ₹1,00,000 with a first EMI of 10,000 or 5,000 rupees, right? We are trying to give you only single program, which is going to have 150 hours live interaction with the faculty. Just right now, I'm sitting in Mumbai. I'm talking to you live right now with my expertise. Similarly, you will have my faculties, my expert master trainers talking to you, understanding your doubts, solving your queries there and then for 150 hours with you at a very minimal cost of 2,000 rupees. Okay. Now let me make you understand why we are charging so less for a course which is 150 hours. Okay. Try to divide it by yourself. 2,000 rupees divided by 150 hours. You will come to know it is not even a cost that you can, see in your monthly mobile bills. आप पूरे महीने में 500 rupees का शायद आप रिचार्ज करते रहेंगे. ये सिर्फ आपके 4 महीने का रिचार्ज का अमाउंट है, right? So that is something that is going to get you for a lifelong learning with us. Okay. Now further, if you want to add value to your profile with industry accepted certification from EduBridge Learning, we give it along with this course for 500 rupees. Okay. So the course price goes to 2,000 rupees or 2,000 rupees plus 500, 2,500 for all the students who are opting for it. Okay. I would urge that please opt for a certificate, because once you're mentioning in your resume, you need to have a supporting certificate to submit at an employer. Okay. So that's second update for all of us. Further, the dedicated placement manager service, which I spoke of. Okay. If you are thinking that you do not need, if you are thinking that you cannot do it by yourself, you cannot understand the opportunities by yourself, rather you do not have time to look into it, then you have a support function for you. That's dedicated placement manager, which ensures that you get interviews lined up for you. ऐसा नहीं होगा कि आप सिर्फ opportunities click कर रहे हो और interviews नहीं आ रहे. यहाँ पे आपको 3 guaranteed interviews दिया जाता है, because there is someone working for you, someone assessing the opportunities for you. And that's the reason the cost of 2,000 is applied for DPM service, dedicated placement manager service. What do you get as a benefit? You get as a benefit that at least my interviews are secured. I will be liable to go for interviews sent through dedicated placement manager of EduBridge Learning, right? So a minimal cost of 4,500 rupees, just 4,500 rupees is getting you an entry to your dream job into banking and financial service, right? So that's an important update for all of you. Try to give a thought that the investment amount that you're giving is 4,500. And for that matter, if you get selected in that particular opportunity, maybe having a starting salary of 13,000 to 18,000. Try to see how much you have invested and what you have got at returns. More than 100% is what you are getting returns. Rather, I say 300% returns that you get. I am talking about returns to all of you because you all are from commerce and you understand investments versus the returns on investments, right? So 4,500 investments versus you get 15,000 rupees kind of a job with you secured. Okay. So that's a full-time opportunity that you get with EduBridge Learning that will be sending you after the course completion. Now, coming to the last part. Okay. If you want to go for soft skills program with us, okay, there is a soft skill module, which is additionally added in this microfinance course. Okay. So this soft skill module of 1,000 rupees additionally will be a different module that will be done for you. Okay. There won't be any kind of certificate given for soft skills, but there will be a badge given to you after completion of the course. Okay. That you have completed this soft skill program with us while doing your microfinance executive core program. So this comes with an additional package of 1,000 rupees. Okay. This is only 1,000 rupees soft skill program that you guys can enroll and have a great opportunity for brushing up both the skills, your communication skills, as well as your knowledge skills on microfinance as a banking professional. I hope I conveyed the right message the clear message, and a perfect plan for all of you to begin your employment opportunity and get placed as soon as possible. Can I understand if there are already some graduates in the room who wants to start with the job as soon as possible? You can please put graduate in the chat window if you don't want to unmute. Already a graduate? Already a graduate? Any graduates, guys? I don't see any response coming up. So I take it there are graduate pursuing students. How many TY students are there? The last year students, TY students, can put please TY in the chat window. TY, third year, TY. Anyone, guys? Nisha is from TY. Okay. Saif Ahmed, Farida, Bijay, Suvam. Bas? Soumya Brata, Kushi. Okay. Guys, I'm talking from last 40 minutes. You just have to type T and Y. Come on, don't be lazy sitting at home, right? Please type T and Y. Taruna, Kushi. Good.
Yes, majority of them are from TY, I could say.
Okay, great. Thank you. Thank you for all the one who are smart and who have replied. The others, please be don't lazy, guys. It's time to start your journey. It's time to take actions. And I always say this to all of my students who come to me. You do not have to sit and procrastinate. Okay, banking and financial service. Okay, insurance. Okay, stock market. Okay, mutual fund. Don't go here and there, left and right. Try to pick one, work on it, get into it. Then simultaneously see what all the other opportunities are there. Try to work on it, get into it. Try to take action is what I want to, guide you guys or convey you guys that it's important to take action and not just sit and procrastinate. Ki shayad ye, shayad wo. Do not get confused for yourself. If someone has guided you with an opportunity, if it is sounding you appealing, without taking any time for further procrastination, just go and select the course and get your enrollments clear and get started with the employability program that is offered to you guys. Now, before I come to the question answer rounds, anything that you want to know about the course more, anything was unclear and you want me to explain further, this is the first option that I have given. I am starting with the second option now, before I go to the second option. Anything that you want to know, guys? There is no chat or no response right now. So I feel there is nothing more that you want to know for microfinance as a course. Okay. Let me take you to the second option for you for banking aspirations. जो लोग banking में खुद का career करना चाह रहे हैं, those who want to see banking as their careers to begin their journey. Let me tell you, many of the people who saw the lockdown and who were very much scared and worried about the lockdown issues, बहुत जगह पे jobs निकल गए, बहुत से लोगों को घर पे बिठा दिया गया, बहुत सी जगह पे companies बंद हो गई. Bank was only institution, or these NBFCs were the only institutions who were working day in, day out. They had good salaries coming up. They have enormous opportunities coming up because our economy is growing. And if your economy is growing, the financial institutions are bound to grow. Okay, so if you're selecting this particular opportunity, it is one of the best things that you're doing for your career to have a secure job, to have a secure opportunity and tremendous growth in coming years for banking and finance. Coming to the second part of the program, that is Certified Rural Banking Officer course. Okay, as I said, Enterprise Learning works with different recruiters. Okay, आपने Bajaj Finserv का नाम जैसे सुना है, वैसे has anyone heard this name called Fullerton India Credit? Any one of you? Fullerton India? Yes, no, maybe. Fullerton India का आपने नाम सुना है? Okay. Fullerton India is one of the best corporate or one of the known brand in the country, which is again a NBFC for us. Okay, they have majorly openings into various credit processes, loan processes. They try to reach out to the rural side of India, the tier 2, tier 3 cities, जहां पे सारे बैंक ब्रांचेस शायद प्रेजेंट नहीं होंगे, जहां पे माइक्रो रिक्वायरमेंट्स होती है, वैसे जगह पे फुलरटन इंडिया जैसा ब्रांड एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी पूरे इंडिया में काम कर रहा है. यू गो टू दिल्ली, कैलकाटा, मुंबई और हैदराबाद, east, west, north, south, everywhere they have their offices present. Now, this course, Certified Rural Banking Officer, is been presented to you jointly with an NBFC partnership like Fullerton India as our knowledge partner. Now, you get it very much correct, right? The knowledge is coming from the corporates who are hiring you guys. So you are trying to bridge the gap and get you closer one step with the knowledge and the jobs that are required in this corporate. Now, Fullerton India has presented this rural banking officer for people who will be trained for 245 hours. Okay, so this will be an extensive, comprehensive training of 245 hours with a master trainer that we will be giving. Okay, now here also comes a dedicated placement manager service, as I said before. Let's understand what we are going to learn in this program. Okay, so people who will be looking to enroll themselves into a bank, the first and foremost thing required is your spoken English communication. I'm sure everyone will nod their head that communication in English is one of the major challenges that we see in some of the profiles or majority of the college students. शायद हम रोज इंग्लिश नहीं बोलते हैं, हम हमारी मदर टंग में ज्यादा बात करते हैं या हिंदी में ज्यादा बात करते हैं, तो वी आर नॉट दैट फ्लुएंट विथ इंग्लिश इज व्हाट मोस्ट ऑफ यू और मे बी ऑल ऑफ यू विल अग्री टू. So we start with communication process first. We try to upgrade your personality. Okay, imagine that you are working in a bank, or rather you are visiting a bank branch. Okay, आप जैसे कोई बैंक ब्रांच में आप जैसे डोर ओपन करके अंदर जाते हो, try to visualize the environment that is there. You see each and every person sitting out there, very well groomed, polished. They talk to you with so much of grace and very fluent kind of an communication that has been taught to them before they are getting hired in those roles, right? And that's the reason this course will start from basics of fluency in English, your communications, your personality development, the computer basics. आपको at the end computer पे काम करना है. Today, if I ask you to go and prepare a table on Excel sheet, शायद आप में से कुछ लोग वो टेबल प्रिपेयर करेंगे. But if I tell you that you have to calculate certain things on the Excel, आपको mathematical calculations use करने हैं, I'm sure none of you might be able to do it because that is not taught to us before, right? So we will be training you on such computer skills also, which are required before you get placed with a interview or you get placed with a corporate, right? Further, the interview skills that are required to clear this job is something that will be working in this particular program, right? And then we will be introducing you to the job skill that is being expected out of you after you get placed with the corporate. Okay, there are corporates like Fullerton India, JP Morgan, then various institutions. I'll just help you know the names of the companies right now who are hiring our students. Okay, you might be there for the next batches coming up, but today if there are students who are getting trained under us, the company opportunities like HDFC, Axis Security, Fullerton India, Arohan Microfinance, Samata Microfinance, Bajaj Capital. These are the companies who are there with EduBridge Learning, offering jobs to the students under the trainings of EduBridge Learning certifications, right? I repeat for all of us, companies like HDFC, Axis, Fullerton India, Bajaj Capital, and many more are there with us in your region, East India that is there, the Calcutta belt that is there. We have all these companies with us today for recruiting our current students in the batches, right? Every month on month, we have addition of companies, addition of opportunities coming up. So if you are a student of our batch in rural banking officer also, these are the companies who are there to hire you once you clear the particular program. I need not mention this, but every fresher wants to start with a brand. And if you want to get into a brand, you will have to follow certain process that is set before you, the training programs that is set before you to enter those dream corporates, right? The syllabus that you can view on the website, which I have just displayed, is for your banking understanding, the NBFC understanding, जैसे कि एक error अपने ये session में भी हुआ कि किसी ने insurance company को NBFC कह दिया. That kind of clarity will be there if you take a good overview of NBFC. The monetary policy of RBI, what is microfinance again, structure of microfinance as a customer, the loans that have been disbursed, the customer profiling, anti-money laundering schemes, collection process, and mock interview practices, right? Everything will be covered in detail for all of you guys. So this is the second option that we would like to present to all of you guys, okay? Now, when I'm presenting this option, this is an important update that the certification that is coming to you will be jointly branded by Fullerton India. अभी आपने ये logo देखने के बाद शायद आपको recollect होता है, तो well and good. So this kind of a certification is what you will get after completion of certificate in rural banking officer. Now this is a different certificate than certificate in microfinance executive. Okay, so this certificate will be jointly branded by Fullerton India and EduBridge Learning to add weightage. So मान लेते हैं आपका resume next time आप कोई recruiter को present करते हो, every company knows Fullerton India and people will recognize your certification that this is an industry recognized course that you are doing. So it will add great values to your profile if you clear out this particular program, right? Now let's understand what all job opportunities can be given to you all, okay? So it will be a certified professional into banking and non-banking financial institution. You get a co-branded certificate, job placements in BFSI roles like clerks, data entry operators, agricultural clerks, banking teller officers, probationary officers, whatever suits best for your selection, we will be trying to forward to you to get selected in those corporates. Maybe the relationship manager profile, the customer service relations officer, rural banking officer, all these profiles are open for all the learners who are fresh graduates from the campus enrolling with certificate in rural banking officer of EduBridge Learning. Okay. Now, as I explained before, DPM is an optional service. अगर आपको ये DPM लेना है, you can take DPM service, access to job portal like in microfinance. यहाँ पे भी आपको job portal पे आएगा ही आएगा, right? This is the course fee that is inclusive of your soft skills, inclusive of your personality development, inclusive of your rural banking officer curriculum, inclusive of your mock interviews. Before you go for an interview, आपको वो interview corrections लेना जरूरी है. ये course आपको वो mock interview patterns भी सिखाएगा, and that's the reason it has a package value of 8,000 rupees all inclusive. Okay, so this is inclusive of everything. आपको केवल 8,000 rupees ये whole 245 hours के program के लिए पे करके आप पूरी तरह value लेते हो to get placements into banking and non-banking financial services. Okay. Additionally, if someone says कि मुझे optional service that is dedicated placement manager service लेना है, केवल and केवल वही बच्चों को 3,000 rupees एक additional resource के लिए ये course charge करता है. If you don't want the DPM service with rural banking officer, then the course price comes to 8,000 rupees only. Am I very clear and crystal to everyone? Yes, no, maybe. Any response that I can see on the chat window? Yes, okay. Now, my colleague has just posted a feedback form. Okay, we are about to end the session. We are at the last phase of the session. I request all of you to just go on that Google link form, which my colleague, Mr. Salil, has put up for all of us. Please fill up that form. I repost again. People said yes on that. So please fill up this link, which I'm posting again. Okay. This link is very much important for our feedback. We need your response. We have taken an effort to deliver almost an hour knowledge to you all. In returns, we do not want any kind of fees for the course. I mean, for this particular course, which I'm trying to give you, but I want a response on this particular form from all of you. Jitne log yahan pe available hai, please go there and fill on this Google form, which is created. Please fill up all the required detail and submit for our reference. Now I want to see how many of you are finding interesting for you all. If you are finding, yes, this is appealing to me, please put yes in the chat window. I want to just understand your response. Please understand this limitation, guys. We are virtually connected. तो maybe ये communication both way होने के लिए आपको भी वहां से type करना पड़ेगा. आपको अगर बात करना है कुछ, now the platform is open for question and answers. Any questions, any doubts, any queries, something to re-understand, please open up your mute buttons. Ask me directly. I will assist you further. Yes. Thank you for the response from Farida, Satyam, Suraj. Thank you for saying yes. This really boosts our confidence also. We are trying to add values to all of your profile, guys. We need an equal support from you. If it is yes, please go forward, fill up the form, have a Google document cleared for you. हमारे पास आपके response पे हम decide करेंगे आपको कब invite करना है for the next knowledge session, right? Sana, thank you. Mohammed, Sohail, thank you. Everyone, does this sounded knowledgeable and interesting for all of you? There are 40 plus candidates right now on this session. Yes, Soumya Brata, I will again explain the scope for all of us. Definitely, I will give you the answer on that. Any questions like this, like Soumya Brata asked?
The IT students.
Sorry?
Actually, she was asking about what is the scope for the IT students.
Okay, IT students. Okay. Soumya Brata, there is another thing that is there for IT students. Just allow me 2-4 minutes more. I will give you an option for IT also. Soumya Brata, can you tell me which course you are from? I mean, which academic qualification you are doing? BSc IT, BCA, what kind of course you are doing right now? Engineering, BSc, CS you are doing. Okay, great. I'll give you an option for IT also. Any IT students are there in the session like Soumya Brata? I have given option for commerce right now. I will definitely have an option for all the IT students like I presented for commerce also. We do have opportunities into IT companies. We have knowledge partners of IT like Capgemini, Huda Technologies, EXL. All these IT companies are also there who have given us various recruitment training program modules which we are clearing out for the students and placing them with the IT roles also, right? If there are any kind of questions like you see on the screen, you want to ask, please put those questions on the chat window. We will address each of your questions. Any questions, guys? I am moving for a short description on IT for Soumya Brata and if there are any IT students listening to us right now.
Any, sir, scope for art students?
Yes.
That one also a little bit, if you could touch on that.
Yes. So any art students in the particular batch will be also given an opportunity because we do not have any kind of categorization ki BCom hi chahiye ya BBA hi chahiye. Even if you are an art student, if you are a BA student, we just need your graduation to be clear in a discipline of arts, commerce, science also. You just needs to be an graduate. That's all. If someone is an engineer who wants to go for a banking career, even he or she can go for this particular program. Explain to all of you guys to enter BFSI, that is Banking and Financial Services Industry. So both the programs are meant for entering banking and financial services industry. You need not worry, even if you're from the arts background. We will assess you. We will guide you to track and get ready for a banking job further, right? Taking up the next question from Soumya Brata. Soumya Brata, I will take you to the program that we would like to suggest you being a BSc CS student. So there is advanced IT programs that we have on our portal also. Okay. So for IT, if there is any IT people listening to me right now, we have received a very, very, very high kind of an opportunity or a requirement of 1500 Java developers for an industry. I do not want to mention the company name, but it is one of the brand that is looking for, and we want to develop people from IT backgrounds, do this course on core Java and advanced Java for all the people into IT. Okay. Now this course is again for 415 hours live. Okay. It will be led by a master trainer. Okay. Live with you all. The course eligibility, if I tell you, like Soumya Brata said, she's from BSc. So BSc CS is eligible for all the course. BCA students are available. MCA students. Now this eligibility criteria which you see here is with regards to job opportunities that we want to give to the students after they have cleared this particular training program with us, right? Now, what is the syllabus that we will be going through? A short understanding on IT syllabus. Soumya Brata, if you're online, you can just view the syllabus right now. I'll take you through. Soumya Brata, if you can unmute and talk, I can understand the response clearly. See, you will have to help me out because I'm not from the IT background to give you the right details on the syllabus part. You will have to help me understand if this syllabus suits you guys.
Click on show more. Yeah.
Soumya Brata, you're there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So please help me understand if this syllabus reads good to you.
Yes.
Right. I have displayed specifically for you as you have asked a question, and I really appreciate your question, Soumya Brata. I would have missed out an IT student like you. So here you see some of the project work also for all the IT students. I'm sure last year you were supposed to submit a project to your college, right? We will be also doing a live practical program with you on Java, where you will be doing a live project and uploading on a particular platform like GitHub. If you have GitHub is the platform name, right? So EduBridge Learning is officially partnered with GitHub also, which is a universal developer community where your projects will be uploaded by yourself only. You will be doing a hands-on project, uploading on GitHub and getting reviews and recommendations from other developers also, which will help you do the betterment in the project and then submit the final project, not only to EduBridge Learning, but also to your college for your academics also. Soumya Brata, you have a project in the last year, if I'm not wrong? Yes, Soumya Brata?
No, sir. Currently, I don't have any project.
But in the last semester, there is a project pattern that most of the universities are running. So you can please check with your college once. So,
yes, sir, I am not in the last semester. I am in the last year, 5th sem.
Okay, so maybe in the 6th semester, there will be a project is what I'm saying, because most of the colleges across the country runs that project for a certain credit points that they give. Okay, so we will be helping you for that as well. That is something that you can go for in advanced, core and advanced Java program that we are giving. Okay, the certificate will be given by EduBridge Learning again, and the job opportunities that we offer for someone who is doing this Java and Core Java advanced certification. These are some of the profiles that you can see here: the full stack developer, the blockchain developer, cloud expert, cybersecurity engineer. All these kind of profiles are open for the students based on clearance of this particular assessment of the certificate program offered by EduBridge Learning, right? Further, same as I said, the services are completely same to the IT students also. They get access to job portal where they select the suitable job opportunities. They get a DPM service additional benefit. They also get premier resume builder service, which is again a very important part for us. And I'm very sure, just like I said in commerce side, in IT also, your hard skills are taken care of by this program, but you are supposed to add the soft skill part also. Mohammed Altar, you want that glass for you? Should I courier it? Okay, so the particular cost package that I'm going to offer to you guys is a very reasonable cost. Okay, if you go in the market and check for Core Java certification. Okay, Soumya Brata, have you checked in the market before? Any of the certifications? Let's interact, let's understand. Now, I have been helping everyone for commerce. I need your help for me to understand IT.
No, sir.
Okay, so just for a reference, if you go for any kind of Core Java or Advanced Java kind of certification in the market, there are fees starting from 25,000, 50,000, 80,000 also, right? But as I said, EduBridge Learning is a social impact organization. We try to cover maximum students with the best reasonable and discounted fees for every one of you. That's the reason we are offering this whole program live and interactive with our master trainer faculty. Again, a quality trainer from our side at a cost of 6,000 rupees only. Okay, 6,000 is inclusive of everything. Otherwise, if you want to add a certificate with us, that will be costing 1,000 rupees extra. Okay, that will take your course value to 7,000 rupees. Okay. In case if you are investing this 7,000 rupees, you are getting a direct job placements wherein the salary packages will give you more than 100% returns on your investment, right? Almost 200% returns or more than that is what you can expect after enrolling with us, right? Additionally, as I said, there is another module on soft skills. Now, specifically IT people, they usually work on computers, like they do not want to talk to anyone usually. So when you are going for a job opportunity, you have to communicate what you know. If you're not working on your communication skills, if you're not giving right kind of an output required, you might lose out that opportunity. So it is highly recommended that you go for soft skill training along with your hard skill, though it is an optional module that we have displayed, but I recommend to become 100% ready and not just 70% ready. 70% is your hard skill, right? 30% is your soft skill, which you have added here with an additional cost of 2,000 rupees. Okay. So that can get you a course value of 9,000 rupees. Next, that support that we have given, if you feel that you have a challenge with clearing an aptitude test, आपको पहले aptitude clear करना होता है, resume builder service से आप सभी को resume मिल जाएगा. उसके बाद आपको एप्टीट्यूड अपियर करना होता है. शायद एप्टीट्यूड में आप सिलेक्ट नहीं हो पाते हो बिकॉज यू डू नॉट नो हाउ टू अपियर एप्टीट्यूड. We will train you on aptitude test training also with a minimal cost of 2,000 rupees, right? So these are all the breakups of the program. It is not advanced Java certification only, but with advanced Java, we offer you soft skills and aptitude test training programs, two different options as an option to you. Okay. So that makes your course value to 11,000 rupees. Now understand, someone is giving you the same course with just technical skills with 50,000 rupees fees. We are giving it just at a 20% cost of it, 80% discount of it, right? So try to understand the value being imparted to you with such a huge discount opportunity of 80 to 90%. Okay, so that's how EduBridge differentiates its service for all the learners to impact and have a great job beginning, the first job offer letter after the program being done. Any doubts from IT side, guys? Anything that you want to know more or something that you wish to know?
No, sir.
Okay, thank you for that response, Soumyabrata. Now, when I'm saying we are given options to you, okay, now it is the time that you start submitting your response on this Google link that we have shared. Salil sir, can you please help me understand what response we have received till now? How many of these people have filled up the Google link?
Not yet.
No one has filled yet?
No.
Okay, guys, come on. I have been giving all my efforts to explain you the direction. I just need your feedback on the session that we have given. At least I understand if my message has reached and conveyed to you in a right manner. Any updates, please ask. Please write there on the Google link form which we have given. Please go to Google link form. Come on. In next 3 minutes, I want each one of you to get that Google link form filled up for us. Any challenges to write, please let me know. There is, okay, Nisha is saying already filled. Anyone who has filled can please put on the chat window. I want to see how many of you submitted. So please write filled or submitted. Yes, no problem. Please go ahead and attend your lecture. Mohammed Sohail. Before going, Sohail, just a kind request, submit the Google link that we have created. We need your valuable response. Yes. Sohail, thank you for joining, but please fill the Google link, okay?
I will also post this feedback link in our Telegram group.
Yes, sir. I have submitted. Okay, Sohail, thank you for filling up. If you have done that, you can please go to your class that is there. Any questions, guys? We are about to end the session. Before that, we need your feedbacks to be submitted. Anyone who has submitted further can please write submitted or filled in the chat window so that I understand that you have understood and you have very much got knowledge from this particular session that we tried to give you.
Okay, submitted by Soumyabrata, yes.
Yeah, Soumyabrata also submitted. Thanks, Soumyabrata.
Soumyabrata is a very serious student.
Yes. Thank you. Well, I would like to request everyone, okay, you guys can coordinate with Arnab sir, okay, from Monday onwards for the registration process. Okay, we will be sharing the registration link with sir. Okay, that would be collaborated with the BB College. In fact, so that link would be initiated in the morning, Monday morning. So Monday morning we'll be receiving that link, and also sir will have that link. It's a UTM link, and through that, with the collaboration of the BB College and EduBridge, everyone can get registered. And also we are offering some sort of course or a fee benefit sort of thing. So Arnav sir will be taking care of that part. Okay, for the learners who are taking interest to join with the program, definitely who can get some financial benefits also. So we can also.
If few people are interested, then we will go into a memorandum of understanding with EduBridge, and
Yes.
then we will work together jointly in this.
Correct.
Check on Monday on the Telegram group, as well as I will forward it to your teachers, who will forward it to your respective class WhatsApp groups, the registration link, where those who are interested and what do you want to do.
Right, sir.
And any problems, you can contact me always, like you people do.
Correct.
Arnav sir, we would like to understand your feedback on the knowledge part that we tried to explain in the session. You being one of the senior member from the industry, sir.
So I would say that the effort wise, there has been no stones left unturned effort wise. Now the problem is that we always need that little bit of some spark which comes out from the students suddenly, that they become interested in all these things.
Yes.
So because of this lockdown for our university has changed from Bardhaman to Kazi Nazrul University. For the last 2 years, we have been receiving very poor quality students. Student quality has not been very good. I mean, I'm personally very disappointed with these qualities. I'm facing issues which I used to hear in low-grade colleges. I'm facing those type of students who are accusing teachers, calling me as vendor, something like these. These were something in my teaching experience I did not face. So these quality students are coming inside and taking class, not attending classes. So out of a class of 55 students, 5 or 10 are attending classes. Especially in the science science, I'm finding it. The commerce people are relatively, they are in a much better situation. They have not declined so far. Arts, I don't know much about the arts because they interact very less with me. The commerce and the BBA, BCA, they interact a lot. The science, they keep out themselves away. So considering all this, the negative situation, I would say that we need a bit of luck, something which will turn society around.
Absolutely.
Because I'm very honestly, I speak very honestly. I mean, I never hide things. So very clearly spoken, I would not expect too much.
For all the thank you very much, Arnav sir. So for all the students,
not because of your efforts, it's not because of the quality of education which you are trying to import or the workforce which you are trying to develop. I would say it's because of the current social scenario with the students and the current pandemic, where confined to homes, they think that they are getting the marks so easily, copying and
passing. That is why, sir, actually, this pandemic has given us a lesson how that disturbance came into a normal life.
The education is totally destroyed. I would say
that is
in a bad shape. It's not in a bad shape. It's destroyed totally.
True, admit it.
It's totally destroyed. I mean, these candidates who are passing out in 2021, 22 and 23, these candidates, they don't know nothing. I mean, if you ask me, will you employ them? I'll say no.
Okay.
I will not even take. If they come to me for, sir, I want to do PhD under you. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm not going to take you. Because I know they don't know anything.
Yes. But still, I'm encouraging them. We all are encouraging them to come up with their career prospect. Okay, take up the opportunity still they have.
Actually, it is not their fault. I mean, I mean, they are students. We have to give them direction, guidance, and
Guidance,
all
support.
these things are needed. And you need to put them under discipline. So what they have lost over here is the one main pillar, that is discipline. It's broken. So they can, even if they don't attend classes, they know that they can go away. They can go away with murder right now. With this, they're simply being handed up as a present their BSc degrees or BA degrees, graduation degrees. So is it their fault that you're allowing them to cheat and they're cheating, and then saying that the students are bad? Well, I think it's the current system it's at fault.
That's what, sir, we are trying to do through this particular,
right now, today, we are facing it in the education industry. We are facing it. Tomorrow, the corporate is going to face this. Next 3 years, they will not get any quality people.
That's what, sir, we are trying to encourage.
Right now, the industry is working on the ones that have passed properly. Now, these 3 years, you are going to find this COVID pandemic students. They know nothing. They are good.
I was coming to the same point for all the students who are listening to this particular discussion.
You will find this problem perhaps from the next year onwards. You will not find
candidates. Yes. In fact, sir, it has already started. It has already started rather, whether we are interacting with the recruiters, being an organization in touch with the recruiters. Let me tell you to all the students who are listening to this, that the recruiter has raised their bar for recruiting people from the campus. Recruiters has raised their expectations when it comes to filtering out people coming out from the graduation batches of 20, 21, 22 and 23 also, right? So we will have to be very much focused that we compete with quality certifications added in our profile, with quality trainings at least imparted to you during this lockdown time. Also, you are sitting at home, your colleges are maybe not functioning completely, so you have good time to invest. You guys are from commerce, you understand the theory of investments versus the returns that are made, right? So your returns will be the salaries. If you want to hire, if you want to bag good salaries, invest your time in this certification program proposed to you by the college. And if possible, try to fill up the Google link and help us with your response, where we will be your friend to help you get the right jobs for you, right? I'm not saying 100% of the students are, not serious. I'm saying many of you who are serious have come up to this course. Who have come up to this webinar on a Saturday afternoon. Itself shows that there is a spark in you. It just needs
these are the spark. 50, 60 students which you have seen. These are the spark students. But,
yes.
We have 5,500 students in our college.
Absolutely, sir. We cannot help someone, or rather the someone will have to ask for it.
50 out of 5,000 say? Where is it standing? The numbers speak for themselves. You can assume. It's not even 1%, it's perhaps 1%.
Truly.
No, not an issue, sir. That is not an issue for us at all. We will start with the genuine only, because at the end, sir, we have the responsibility on our shoulders to place them.
These 50 people can create that benchmark. That 50 people can create that,
I'm hoping that this will 50 people can succeed. Then that will lead to 500. That will lead to 5,000. It will be exponential.
They will be the role model for others.
Yes,
they will be the role model for others.
But right now, the education system it's in a very bad shape. So I don't blame the students now.
Sir, we are there to help all the education institutes, because some people, they are stuck with, without any their mistakes they are stuck with, right? There is a system that everyone has to follow, but we are there to help you out in that, sir.
They are lacking behind the resource. So if they can get the proper resource, I believe they can overcome with the situation.
Yeah,
and I look to the college authorities and the Arnab sir for bringing up all these students, taking these efforts to bringing all these people in this forum to understand their pain and what are the offerings that we can support them into. So I really thank Arnab sir for taking this pain and challenges for bringing all these people out here. And I would request every participant out here to respect this effort that Arnab sir had taken, and you all definitely showcase your career. I think most happiest person would be Arnab sir to see your success.
He's the one. They know sometimes. I'm bugging them on the Telegram group so much to their teachers, and now people are getting irritated because of efforts. So
आज सक्सेस होता है करियर में, सबसे ज्यादा खुशी आपको मिलेगी.
All the systems are functioning, but the main system, that evaluation system, that these students, they know that without studying they will be getting their pass marks and they will get the degree. Nothing can beat this.
That is not the success.
This is what's destroying all the futures and the careers of all these students.
वो सक्सेस नहीं है सर, एक्चुअली पास कर जाना सक्सेस नहीं है.
No, they are getting the degree, and that they realize 5 years later when they have nothing to do.
Will realize by 5 years later, yes.
And then then they come, sir. They're applying for sweeper jobs in railway stations. Group D. One of my students is a senior HR in the railways, saying that from BB College, BCom student has applied for Group D sweeper jobs. Well, I'm so happy, so proud to hear about all these things. Well, this is the tragedy.
This is the tragedy. Yeah. Is they have a very bright future, I believe. So this is the right platform they can opt it for, and if they take it positively, definitely we all are here. College is there. EduBridge as a knowledge partner, as a career partner, as your career partner would be definitely supporting you. College is also supporting so far to bring you all guys here. Let us work together. And definitely
people must really realize that the very bad situation you are in, how bad the situation is, and how competitive the job market outside there, until or unless you go out and see. So people like Nisha and some of two or three, they have done some internship in some companies. They really know what they do there.
Correct.
You have learned from this photo shoot how they spoke with you people.
Yes, doing there.
That was just only the tip of the iceberg. The हल्का करके तुमको बोला था.
Right.
असलियत बहुत जब तुमको पैसा देगा ना तब पता चलेगा. तुमको 1 पैसा देगा, तुमसे 10 पैसा लेगा. You have to be prepared.
Yes,
for
you
that.
are right.
You have to be mentally.
That's the real market is all about. We have to be very confident. Otherwise, we won't be able to get the success in the career. So still we have time. हमारे पास time है.
You have definitely time.
ठीक है. That is why Arnab sir chosen EduBridge as their partner to be joined with this initiative. कि हमारे पास जितने सारे unemployed youth है, उस unemployed youth के साथ अगर हम लोग कुछ co-work कर सकते हैं, तो हम लोग सब मिलके आगे बढ़ेंगे. तो ये इनिशिएटिव को आप लोग अगर अपने आप को देखना चाहते हो एज ए करियर सक्सेसफुल, डेफिनेटली आगे बढ़ के आइए. और आप लोग रोल मॉडल बन सकते हैं बाकियों के लिए. कॉलेज में अगर 5000 बच्चे हैं, आप 50 लोग मिलके बाकी 5000 के लिए रोल मॉडल बन के दिखाइए. दिस इज हाउ आई गॉट द सक्सेस इन माय करियर. ठीक है. तो थैंक यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग विद दिस प्रोग्राम. Thank you for Arnab sir for giving us this opportunity to interact with these good people out here. Thank you Veer for taking so wonderful session, interactive session, and it was very insightful session for every one of us.
Absolutely, very insightful. I mean, I myself learned something about banking and finance.
Oh, thank you so much.
Listening very carefully about this. I was having some problems with my Zoom initially. I don't know, because it's a new laptop, but still there was a problem with Zoom.
Maybe some network.
So I missed a bit of part. I'm waiting for the recording. I will listen to it again.
Okay, sir. Okay, definitely.
It's a pleasure, sir, to know.
Thank you very much.
So thank you everyone for joining, and I would request everyone, please cascade this message to fill up the feedback form, and Arnab sir will be also floating this form to everyone in the Telegram and
and I will also put this recording in the college YouTube. And I will send this link in the Telegram, so you people can freely watch it again once more. You can contact me if I don't know the answers. I will ask Sholil to give the answer.
Yes. I'm always there with you, sir.
I will ask also Talpade sir to give the answer.
Planning to come down Kolkata in the next week.
Yeah.
I'm planning to coming down Kolkata next week. So definitely
you have to come up to Asansol then from there.
Yes. From Kolkata to Asansol, I definitely would try to visit there.
Next week, maybe I'll be in Kolkata once.
Okay. No worries, sir. Definitely
we'll be in Kolkata also if it's possible.
Yeah.
I mean, I'll go to visit my parents. I'm originally from Kolkata. I go to visit.
Good.
Arnab sir, and do come to Mumbai to our office at EduBridge Learning.
Well, I was born in Mumbai.
Oh wow.
Yeah. So my working place, of course, is currently Asansol, but I was born in Mumbai. It's all written in my passport and everywhere. It's.
Let us know when you're coming to Mumbai, sir. We are very much happy to host you at our office. Yeah, we are at Andheri next to International Airport, sir.
Yeah, I was born in Nanavati Hospital.
Oh, the other side. Okay.
The place where Sanjeev Kumar died. I mean, when I was born, Sanjeev Kumar had his first heart attack.
Oh, okay. What a coincidence.
Okay, sir.
Yeah,
thank you, sir, for this great session.
Yes, thank you.
Most welcome, Nisha. Thank you for taking interest.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Yep, thank you. Let's close the session. We are good to close.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you.